That's where we're going now. And there's our cruise ship.
It looks too much like a carrot.
With the famous little photo spot.
Okay guys, it's Christmas Eve, day 3 of the Disney cruise. We're doing a lot today. We have the Frozen dinner show tonight. We're also going to Castaway. We're gonna go meet Santa. Let's go down to the lobby, we'll go meet Santa real quick.
All right, it's first thing in the morning. Santa's out meeting. We gotta know, today's the big day.
Well, it's Christmas Eve, yes.
Christmas Eve.
Yes.
Do you have like a pre-Christmas Eve like stretch or cookie you like to eat to help you get ready?
Cookie is a shortbread cookie with
Okay.
a light dusting of sprinkles. And my wife makes. Only Mrs. Claus gives. The first cookie I eat is for Mrs. Claus.
Have you ever made a cookie?
No.
Or you just eat
I'm
the
so
cookies?
busy with everything.
I'm gonna go to Arendelle. I think they have that little Elsa meet and greet. Well, how are you doing today?
Amazing. We love your summery shirt.
Thank you.
Went on many adventures today.
Many adventures.
Are we going to go to the beach as well?
Yes, we're off the beach.
We'll have to let Olaf know.
Yes, absolutely. He loves to take picnics on the beach, but we have to make sure Elsa gives him extra permafrost.
So he'll
every
just be
day.
sunbathing out there. I'm
Yes,
expecting
he
to
really
see him
does
out
like
there.
to do that a lot. I don't know if he really knows that he can't, but the permafrost is perfect for that. He can just have so much fun.
So tonight's a big night. It's Christmas Eve. I want to ask you, do you prepare 6 months out, or are you a last minute present person?
Well, usually I will say I always every year have made her a little gift that looks like Olaf. So that's kind of been our tradition since we've been kids. But now we have new traditions too. Like we like to ring the Yule bell. We also go out into the forest with everybody and she makes a big Christmas tree for all of us. Olaf usually likes to hang the star on the top.
I'm a planner.
Yes.
I love surprises though.
Yes, I heard she has some surprises for me too at our engagement party.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Didn't you do such a good job picking out the ring too?
He did great.
It
He
looks
did
kind of
wonderful.
like a carrot, so we
He
have to
wasn't
make
nervous
sure.
at all.
Oh no. No, his family definitely helped him, but we have to keep Sven away because it looks too much like a carrot.
We're very excited to welcome Kristoff into the family.
Now you can take a slide down here with a staircase, Cheshire Cat right there, and there's kind of a purple illumination taking you upstairs. We're heading in. So this is the Oceaneers Club. A little fiber optic action up there. Here's the little logo. It's like they'll teach you how to sketch some of the characters. I love this. This is great. Like it's one giant room just filled with all the different Disney characters as if they were sketched out. Dante and Miguel. Snow White right there. Moana. This is the Walt Disney Imagineering Lab. Oh, look at that. Look, you can dress up as an Imagineer. It's great. They got the Imagineering vest and then the Imagineering helmet. I'm guessing the names on the helmets are probably people or some of the Imagineers who worked on this project. So showing kind of the behind the scenes, right, of coming up with the different logos for the Oceaneer Club, the Aqua Mouse. We're gonna ride that probably tomorrow. Here's a 3D printer. It looks like they're printing a little Mickey Mouse. Over here we have a little spider bot for Avengers Campus. We got the concept art for Cosmic Rewind. We got concept art for Tron, and just seeing the ride vehicle just gives me pain. They have a globe right here where every single red dot represents a Disney park. It looks like a Disney park or Disney location because you got Hawaii, so you got Aulani right there. Disneyland one, the dot came off though. Castaway right here. And the Walt Disney World. Here's the 3D printing process for Cinderella's castle. So they'll print it out, right? And they have the different concepts and measurements. Some behind the scenes photos of the mosaic when you're walking through Cinderella's castle in Walt Disney World. Well, hello there, little dinos that are just chilling on this table. So yeah, throughout the cruise, like throughout the entire day, the kids have activities in here that they can do. Oh my gosh, they have a ride simulator here. This is the R&D bay. But this reminds me a lot of like the Disney Quest Space Mountain ride. Here's some behind the scenes look at the Toy Story splash pad that is on the upper deck. Little Bullseye, Buzz, the little alien. So we have a whole look at kind of the model that was built for the Disney Wish. Crazy because like, here's the model and we're now on it. Like we were watching the fireworks last night right up there. The Cinderella statue that's in the lobby. And we got some posters over here. We got one for Big Thunder Mountain, another one for Cosmic Rewind, Radiator Springs Racers and Cars Land, Tron Light Cycle Power Run, Space Mountain, the Iron Man Experience, and Pirates of the Caribbean Battle for the sunken treasure. A little Easter egg for Jungle Cruise for the Jungle Navigation Company right here. And then over here they have a bunch of the stickers and the logos that you'll see throughout this little area, and then also the ship. A little DVC right there. The Disney Imagineering prop shop.
They got a Rivers of Light costume in here.
And then this is like a little jungle gym or play area. We got some photos of Daisy and Donald. Mickey over there. And you practice being the captain of the ship. You could steer it. We have over here a little Chippendale under the water. Got like one of those silly fun mirrors over here. And a giant life preserver. It says Disney Cruise Line on it. But yeah, the kids can just kind of like run around over here. Here's the fairy tale hall. What's going on in here? They have all these lights up here. I'm guessing some of the princesses come and tell stories. You have Belle and Chip, and then Belle telling some stories. I guess we're inside of her library right now. I like on the fireplace. It's got sounds, and there's a little rose right there. And then a portrait of Belle and the Beast, Cogsworth and Lumiere. And this would be kind of like the Frozen themed area. You got the clock, little tick-tock. There's Anna and Elsa on a tapestry. And over here, they have some massive screens for Frozen fun. Tap band to begin. So you have to be a kid to kind of interact with this stuff. But over here's a nice little Easter egg. They have a little doll. Almost looks like a little voodoo doll though, of Olaf. Over here, a rose for Belle, a snowflake for Elsa. We have Rapunzel's little sun right there. You have some of Rapunzel's paintbrushes. And you know, Rapunzel had to like paint all the walls where she lived. So she did that. And then, you know, her age, that's pretty cool. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Because I'm guessing she's 17 in the movie, but she was measuring how tall she's growing. And over here, little Pascal. Here's little Rapunzel gazing out at all the stars. And the stars just kind of continue and go throughout everywhere. And they got a Christmas tree up. We have over here. Oh, it's like the kids' bathroom. So each door is kind of decorated to a different Pixar character. Then they also have the Marvel Superhero Academy. Oh, look at this place. All right, so we have a giant mural of all the different Marvel characters. Some of the different outfits. We have Black Widow's outfit right here. They even have Distressing on the belt. Black Panther's necklace. Shuri's little gauntlet. Oh, this is cool to see. You have the beads from Wakanda. And over here we have all the vibranium behind some protective glass. They also have an outfit of Captain America. Old school cap. They did some great distressing on his helmet. Stars, the costume, even down to the boots. They have some great distressing. Looks like there's another game that the kids can play. Oh, over here, this is where Scott Lang was. You know, we had dinner last night. These were on each one of the tables. So Scott Lang was like talking to us from right here. Oh, and then over here, this looks like one of the blasters from the Ant-Man shooter. Then there's some PIM particles. Here's a giant marker. Got some iPads for some kids to play some games. So each person on the cruise has to have one of these. It's funny that Scott Lang even has one. A guest presenter. Oh, that's funny. They got the world's greatest grandma trophy over here. And then here's the different ants Scott is doing experiments with. We have crazy ants over here. Then there's fire ants over here. And then I guess over here you can design a costume. All right, the best for last, the Star Wars cargo bay. Oh my gosh. Look how cool this is. There's a bunch of fun games for the kids to play. So many different sights and sounds that are happening inside here. You have a little loft cat sleeping with a little porg. It's very similar to the exact same one that's in Galaxy's Edge. And this guy is also in the creature stall, I think, in Galaxy's Edge. Okay, what is in here?
We're supposed to turn this.
Oh, is there Dianoga in there? It's making sounds. Oh, it's bubbling. Oh my gosh. Oh, his eyes open. That's cool. Mayo, mustard, ketchup. And then this guy you can see in Olga's Cantina because you eat his little frog egg.
This place is awesome. I gotta get to Castaway.
That's where we're going now. Getting off the ship now.
Oh, we're here. It's happening. We're at Castaway.
They have a massive Christmas tree out. There's a little Mickey at the top as a tree topper. And there's our cruise ship. Gosh, it's so big. They have some snowmen to take a photo next to, but they're little sandmen. There's a massive like buoy, Castaway Cay, Bahamas. Oh, this is the Castaway Club. So if you've done more than 50 Disney cruises, they'll put your name up over here. So there's a bunch of families that have hit 50 cruises, been sailing since 1998. They do have Captain Jack Sparrow meeting over here. My gosh, this place is massive. Okay, so we got to go to Serenity Bay. Serenity now, Serenity now. I said, we're like here, we got to make it over. We gotta make it over there. There's some Christmas wreaths up here.
I find it very interesting because I'm talking with all the different guests that are here. It's like a lot of people don't even go to the Disney parks. They don't know nothing about the Disney parks. They only go Disney cruise. That is like their thing. Is every vacation they're going on a Disney cruise, not going to the park.
Here's the tram. We're gonna hop on the tram here. We're heading in.
All of Castaway has that like Eisner 90s, like Typhoon and Blizzard feel to it. Okay, so you gotta take 2 trams. We are now at Serenity Bay.
Serenity Bay barbecue area reserved for guests 18 and older. Thank you. I was told this is the best, the different barbecue places. They got soft serve ice cream, Lay's potato chips. Got some little corn muffins and cookies and little danishes. And we got some hamburger buns, hot dog buns, some sourdough bread. They have a whole condiment bar. Then there's also like a cold salad bar. And then over here, if you want some fresh cut fruit, they got that too. All right, this is our view. This is what we're eating. All right, so simple hot dog, simple hamburger. We got a rib. And then we got salmon. Looks pretty snazzy. Now it's time for seconds. We got the brisket sandwich, and then we're gonna try some of the dessert. Now I love this theming, right? So the bar is gonna be kind of the hangar, right? The Castaway Air. Even inside where all the bottles are, it looks like there's an aircraft back there. And then over here is gonna be the airplane. You have Donald right there. You have the airplane, right? The hangars are right over there. And then this is going to be the massive runway, right, for the airplane to take off. Now let's go see what's going on at Pelican Point. Looks like they have like tubing rentals. They have all these slides out here. Everybody's just chilling and relaxing on the beach. They have lifeguards out there for everyone. Bar out here on the water. It's Heads Up Bar at Pelican Point, where they have giant pelicans chilling on the side of it. Plenty of places to sit and relax, just enjoy the sun and the view.
Okay, I'm here looking at the menu to see what's at this bar. These drinks are all under $10. I thought they were mocktails at first. I was like, these aren't like $20 to $30 drinks that you get in Orlando. This is what we got. It's gonna be the Castaway Sunset, a coconut rum, peach, and melon liqueur with pineapple juice topped with a cranberry juice. Very heavy on the melon. Oh, but then you get that like coolness from the pineapple. I like that.
This is interesting. For the lifeguards, go to stand to stand. They have to hop on like a little paddle board and they paddle to each stand. On the boxes here it says Big Summer Blowout, Wander Noken's Trading Post and Sauna, contains beach ball pail and shovel. Another sign for Wander Noken's Trading Post. Big Summer Blowout. Slushy stand over here. Summertime Freeze. And here's a little Olaf. You got a photo with him. It says Castaway Cay in the back. Here's the collectible sippers you can get. Over here you can see all the places that Olaf has visited on Castaway. All right, let's pop into the By the Seashore. Now all the Castaway merch you cannot buy on the ship. You can only buy it on Castaway. So you can get towels of Stitch, cast your cares away. $25, they have a little water toy. They have all these lanterns up here. $23, they have this water bottle. It's got kind of like where everything is. So Disneyland and Walt Disney World are this way. $35 for these ears. They're like little beach balls and they have the Disney Cruise Line logo on them. $35, we have Conched Out, Relax and Rewind. Castaway. $20, they have a flip-flop ornament. And for $30, they have Mickey and Minnie on the beach. You can see the cruise ship in the back. Mickey is Ken on the beach. $25 for the Castaway Cay 5K water bottle with Mickey running. And they have a shirt with Minnie running. We have the ship in the back. $30 for this hat. Castaway Cay Adventures. And for $45, they have one with Mickey running. Castaway Cay 5K. Let's see a price on it, but you have this hoodie. It says, I did it. Castaway Cay 5K. $35 for a Castaway bucket hat. It is reversible, so you flip it around. It's got the Disney Cruise Line logo on it. $35 for this orange t-shirt. It says Donald's Exploration Boat Tours. And then on the back, there's going to be Donald with his little boat tour. Now the boat is going to be named Daisy. No price on this, but this is like a swim spirit jersey, see-through. Then on the back, it's going to say Castaway Cay. $55 for this hoodie. You have a little sunshine behind the ship. It says Castaway Cay, Disney Cruise Line. And then $60, they have a button-up short sleeve shirt. It's got all the kind of logos that we just saw all over the t-shirts of Donald's Boat Tours, Castaway Cay Adventures, Conch Out, Relax and Rewind. $78, there's be a special Disney Cruise Line Lounge Fly backpack travel bag. And then here's another tie-dye spirit jersey, Castaway Cay on the back, Bahamas. And on the front, you're gonna have the Disney Cruise Line logo. For the new arrivals collection, you have Minnie right there with an anchor. So you like a nice little sun hat. And for $70, they have a matching shirt. Oh, you got Mickey surfing right there. And then $35, there's a button-up shirt of that design. And for $25 is a new hat. Every day is a sun day. You have Minnie sunbathing with a little sun right there. We got a pin for the Castaway Cay 5K. Welcome to Castaway Cay. It's always weird when you see Mickey's feet. Minnie and Mickey relaxing with the sunset with the ship in the background. I like this little pin of Stitch wearing like some pineapple sunglasses. Some Disney Cruise Line postcards. Oh my gosh. And they have a cruise line magnet. And then these are little mini magnets. And there's like little toddler Goofy as a magnet. Then they have some other shops where it's not Disney shirts. It's just like standard Bahama shirts. If you look up in the trees, you can see a bunch of mammals up there. They have a place called In the Shade Games. They have like checkers and pool and basketball over there. All right, so this is Cookie's Barbecue. There's also Cookie's Barbecue 2 or Serenity Bay, which we went to. So it's all kind of the same kind of hot dogs and hamburgers at each one of the places. It's just the Serenity Bay Barbecue is 18 plus, so it's a little more private. There's not any kids, but I do like this. They put the Lay's potato chips in this little boat. They have a whole stand here of fresh cut fruit. So they're all cutting it right there. That looks good. This is the famous little photo spot next to these like buoys. You got the one of Goofy, Donald's, Pluto, and Mickey Mouse. They have plenty of restrooms, a first aid in case anything happens on the island. Now we're hopping back on the tram, take us back. And we have all these special Christmas wreaths with little Santa Claus on them, little sea turtles. Yes, I'm pretty sure Chapek had a sign here, and as soon as he left the company, they automatically removed it. But if you come over here, it's gonna say Tomorrow Dock for Josh Tomorrow. Some spa waters are coming back to the ship, and even the little snowman needs some sunscreen lotion down there. You're gonna go back on the ship right here, and then you have to go through like a little mini TSA to get back on the ship.
Okay guys, we're back in the office. You're gonna have to wait for part 2 of that day to see what madness happens within the cruise ship. A lot of fun, but Castaway, it's amazing. It was just like so chill, but it still had that Disney kind of that Typhoon Lagoon vibe, and I loved it. It was so great. I cannot wait to go back and kind of explore. There's more excursions. You can go snorkeling. I just kind of like scratched the surface of like what there is to do on Castaway. I cannot wait to go back. But guys, on that note, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you have not already, hit the subscribe button. Join the family.
We love the family.
Because I'm going to keep you up to date on all things Disney Cruise Line and theme parks around the country. I love you all, and I'll see y'all very soon.
The world's greatest grandma. Everybody decorates their door. This is a full with lights on it.